Okay, so I decided to go on a rainy forest treasure hunt, and I almost immediately saw one of my favorite things in the whole wide world. They're called a rough-skinned newt. I'm watching him. He's about to go up on the road, so I might need to rescue him from taking that path in a minute here. But I'm going to show you. I think I can... Oh, I can't flip it around. Okay, separate video. Here's that rough-skinned newt. I might just watch him and make sure he makes it across the road safely by himself. I think my voice is stopping him. Okay, he's still going. Good. Oh, so cute. Look at look at his little paws. And that bright orange. Oh, so cute. You just eat them up. But definitely don't eat these. One, because obviously it's a living creature that belongs in the forest, but two, also they're like super poisonous. So yeah, definitely don't eat them. Only figuratively eat them up. Come on, dude, you're almost there. You're about halfway across the road here. I'm gonna double check and make sure he makes it all the way, and then I'm gonna leave him alone. I have basked in his cuteness for long enough. So here you can see some of the fall leaves starting to fall, and then it is definitely mushroom season right now. There's so many mushrooms. This is, I don't know, this is like 2 minutes of walking, and I already saw that other one that I showed you, and then there's all of these little guys as well. Some mushrooms there, some more over there. Here's a few more. Oh, where did one go? I lost it. Oh, there we go. So the rock hounding has been a little slow so far. I've just been out here for not very long, for like 10 minutes or something. Just found one teeny tiny little keeper, and a couple others that I'll keep for now, we'll see. But was hoping, no, it's not gonna do it. There's a really pretty bird song happening around where I'm at right now, and I was hoping I could capture it. So I'll try to capture it later, and I'll put it in here if I do. And I'm gonna keep looking.